Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Source's classes. Today I am solving PUMDET, that means Presidency University Master Degree Entrance Test Economics 2024 paper solution. If you want to take classes from outside or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate, please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Source himself reply to your query through WhatsApp. So let's start with question number 7. What will be the say question number 7? If probability of A is 1 by 12 and probability B is 5 by 12 and probability of B given A is 1 by 15, so what will be the result of probability of A union B? So what is the formula? So use the formula of probability of the union of two events. That means the formula is here probability of A union B, that means probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So okay, so we given that this value, so we need to find out the value of the conditional probability of A intersection B, that means probability of A into probability of B given A. Okay, so substituting this value, that means probability of A intersection B equals to 1 by 12 into 1 by 15 means 1 by 180. So after putting this value on this probability of A union B, that means probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability value is probability of A is 1 by 12 and the value of probability B is 5 by 12 minus 1 by 180. So LCM this numerator, what is the result? 180. So after calculating this, 15 plus 75 minus 1. So what is the correct option here? 15 90 minus 89 by 180. So what is the correct option? Correct option is option A is the correct answer here. Okay, so that's all for today. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you next session soon. Thank you.